So the first question is how many ladies from age 40 to 50 visited the library? So I'm gonna see 40 to 50. The bar is between numbers 6 and 8, so it's gotta be 7. How many students were greater than or equal to 60 tall inches? 5. So here, for 60 to 65 is 5. 65 to 70 is 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. Then 70 plus 72, 75 is 3. 7 plus 3 is 10. 75 between 75 to 80 is 1. 10 plus 1 is 11. Which interval shows the greatest number of threads? So we look here, number of students and number of threads, and we see that 15 to 19 were the greatest. So how many cities have temperature between 70 degrees and 99? So here's 70 degrees and here's 99. So we say 70 to 79 is number 10. That how many cities is number 10. And 80 to 89 we see 16. So 10 plus 16 is 26. 90 to 99 is 18. 18 plus 26 is 44. How many students are represented by the histogram? Let's see. Students. So 4. Here we have 4. And then here we have 7. So 7 plus 4 is 11. 7, 11 plus 9 is 20. And then 20 plus 6 is 26. And then uh, and uh, and then 5 plus 26 is 31. What was the day with the least amount of cars sold? Let's check. So Monday there were one, two, three, four. Tuesday there were 3. Wednesday there were one, two, three, four, 5. Thursday was only 2. And by looking at it at the picture, you see already know that Thursday is the least amount of car sold. The question is, what is the minimum value? By looking at the picture, the minimum value is the least number, or um, the need. It's the least number in here, so it's 58. And here, what's the maximum number? Is what's the most greater number. By looking at the picture, you see it's 66 is the greater number. And what's the minimum value, which is By looking at the picture, it's 58. What is the mode? The mode is the most frequent number or the most frequent score. What is the mean? The mean is the by saying one word, it's the average. So it's the average number added together then divided by the number of dots. The spread, the range. What's the range? The range is the greatest number minus the lowest number. What is the median? Yes. The median is the number in the middle, but there's the middle number, but the correct one is the middle number when in order. So this one. How many total students were surveyed about in their number of brothers and sisters? So click on here. We count the dots. These dots represent the amount of students. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So then the answer is 15. Okay, the question is, what is the spread of the data? Or by other word, what's the range? Well, the range is when you subtract the highest number, which is 4, I mean the greatest number to the lowest number. So 4 subtracted by 0 is 4. How many students have a shoe size bigger than 8? So this is 8, and this is 9, and 10. So you count the dots to see how many students have bigger size than 8. So 1, 2, 3. How many people have 4 or more pets? See, you count the dots. So when you count the dots, you count only when 4 and 6 and 8, and 4, 7, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 6. 6.